guys, welcome back to my channel The Trend Savior. So in today's video I've tried to recreate the sari draping look of Shilpa Shetty which she wore in Sonam Kapoors Reception. So I tried to find some videos on YouTube. If there are some related videos, I found just one video which was really close to her look but not exactly how she wore it. So I'm going to create the same sari draping for you guys. So hope you guys enjoy watching this video. And without further ado, let's get started. So here I'm draping this sari on my black jegging and I'm wearing a black sequin crop top. I have made knot at the end of the sari so it won't come off. And now I'll drape it as a regular sari. And while draping the sari, please make sure to keep the pallu to the floor length. Pallu on my arms instead of shoulders and bring it to the other side from the back. And whatever part is left, bring it below the front pallu and take it out from the other side and make sure that everything is in place. And now I'm ending this drape with a belt. I've taken a very basic belt. You can add any one you like, the glitter ones or the broad ones. And after you're done with the belt, it's almost done. Just make sure that everything is in place. So here is the final look, guys. I've completed this look with a pearl necklace which I got from Sarojini Nagar only for ₹100. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, guys.